In the previous video, we discussed how to go about creating an SQL Server data warehouse on top of an SQL Server. In this video, we're going to talk about how to connect using SQL Server Management Studio, how to connect to the cloud database. In order to do that, open your SQL Server Management Studio and click on Connect. Type the server name. Remember the server name which you created, bdcs sql1 database.windows.net. You can see it from here. bdcs sql1 database.windows.net. Copy it and paste it there. Now you have to enable a firewall on your client machine where the SQL management server is installed. Go to Google and search for what is my IP. This IP is the public IP of your SQL server management client, on the PC on which the SQL server management is installed. This is 97.70.113.214. Now go back on the portal, go back to the dashboard, click on the BDCS SQL1 server, the SQL server, and on the far right you would see firewall, show firewall settings. Here just say any role. You would say my role, type the IP. I already have the IP here, just type it out here. Start and end can be the same IP. Once you have done that, save it so that it would enable this IP to be able to talk to the cloud SQL server. Go back in here. So once the IP is initiated, type the server name, login ID and password and say connect. Boom. Using your SQL Server Management Studio, you are able to connect to the database on the cloud. You can type your own query. I don't have tables yet, but you can type your query and do everything, any operation as if it's your on-prem server. In the next set of videos, we are going to see how we can load the data using data factory pipelines onto this SQL Server data warehouse on the cloud. Thank you for watching.